Hello and welcome. This is Mr. English here. Calm voice, clear mind, ready to speak business.
And this is Mrs. English, smiling already, excited already, and very ready to level up your English.
Today, we're helping you sound more confident, more professional, and more powerful in meetings.
Yes, no more struggling to find words, no more simple English when big ideas are in your head.
We're talking about 50 powerful business English words.
The kind of words that make people listen when you speak.
Words you can use in meetings, discussions, presentations.
Even when your heart is beating and your boss is looking at you.
This is a relaxed, friendly conversation.
We'll explain, tease a little.
And practice together.
So don't rush, don't stress, just listen and enjoy.
By the end of this lesson,
you'll speak more clearly.
More confidently.
And with much more authority.
All right, let's begin.
Business English activated.
Our first powerful word is align.
Align. Such a meeting word.
To align means to agree or move in the same direction.
Instead of saying, do we all agree, you say,
are we aligned on this?
Boom, instant respect.
Example, let's align on the next steps before we move forward.
Say it with us. Align.
Align.
Next word, clarify.
Very useful when someone has been talking for 5 minutes and you understood nothing.
Instead of saying, I don't get it, you say,
could you clarify that point?
Polite, professional, nobody is offended.
Example, just to clarify, are we focusing on Q2 or Q3?
Repeat after us. Clarify.
Word number 3, propose.
No ring, no kneeling, just ideas.
To propose means to suggest something formally.
In meetings, confident people don't say, maybe we can try.
They say, I'd like to propose a new approach.
Ooh, that sounds strong.
Example, I propose we extend the deadline by 1 week.
Next powerful word, implement.
This word means to put a plan into action.
Talking is nice, planning is nice, but bosses love implementation.
Exactly. We will implement this strategy next month.
Say it slowly. Implement.
Word 5, prioritize.
This one is important, especially when everything feels urgent.
To prioritize means to decide what is most important.
Example, we need to prioritize customer feedback.
Not everything can be number 1.
Even jollof rice knows this.
Next word, address.
Not house address, meeting address.
To address means to deal with a problem or topic.
Example, we need to address the budget concerns.
Very calm, very professional.
Ooh, I love this word. Insight.
An insight is a deep or useful understanding.
Not just information, smart information.
Example, she shared valuable insights during the meeting.
People with insights are always invited again.
Word 8, feedback.
Some people fear this word.
To provide feedback is opinion or response about work or ideas.
Example, I'd appreciate your feedback on this proposal.
Very professional, very mature.
Yes, strategic.
This word means carefully planned to achieve a goal.
Not random, not vibes.
Example, this is a strategic decision for the company. Word 10, efficient.
Doing things well without wasting time or resources.
Efficient people leave work on time.
All right, that's our first 10 powerful business words.
40 more to go. Don't worry, we're just warming up.
If you're enjoying this, stretch your shoulders, smile, and get ready.
Because the confidence is entering your English already. All right, let's keep going. Deep breath, confident voice, meeting energy activated.
Yes-o, sit up straight, even if you're lying down.
Word 11 is collaborate.
This is a teamwork word.
To collaborate means to work together with others.
In meetings, don't say, I will do everything alone.
Say, I'd like us to collaborate on this project.
People immediately feel included.
Next word, delegate.
Ah, the art of not doing everything yourself.
To delegate means to give tasks to other people.
Example, I'll delegate this task to the marketing team.
Leaders delegate. Burnt out people don't.
Word 13, evaluate.
This means to carefully judge or assess something.
Example, let's evaluate the results before making a decision.
Very calm, very thoughtful.
Next word, facilitate.
Big word, simple meaning.
To facilitate means to make something easier.
Example, this tool will facilitate better communication.
You sound smart without trying too hard.
Ooh, powerful one, mitigate.
To mitigate means to reduce risk or damage.
Example, we need a plan to mitigate potential risks.
Risk-aware, executive mindset.
Word 16, optimize.
Meaning, make something as good as possible.
Example, we should optimize our workflow.
Not working harder, working smarter.
Next word, streamline.
To streamline means to simplify and remove unnecessary steps.
Example, let's streamline the approval process.
Meetings love this word.
Word 18, anticipate.
This one makes you sound prepared.
To anticipate means to expect something before it happens.
Example, we anticipate some challenges during implementation.
Nobody likes surprises in business.
Word 19, alignment.
This is the noun version of align.
Example, there seems to be a lack of alignment between teams.
Smooth, professional, clear.
Word 20, accountability.
Ah, yes. Responsibility's serious older brother.
Accountability means being responsible and answerable for results.
Example, we need clear accountability for this task.
Strong word, use it wisely.
Wow, that was a solid set.
You're already speaking like someone people listen to in meetings.
Let's go again. Same energy, same confidence.
Yes, your meeting voice is getting stronger already.
Word 21 is leverage.
This one is everywhere in business meetings.
To leverage means to use something to your advantage.
Example, we can leverage our existing network.
It sounds strategic and intentional.
Next word, initiative.
Initiative means the ability to start and act independently.
Example, she showed great initiative during the project.
Managers love this word. Love it. Word 23, stakeholders.
Important people. Very important people.
Stakeholders are individuals or groups with interest in a project.
Example, we need stakeholder approval before moving forward.
Say it confidently. Stakeholders.
Next word, deliverables.
These are the results or outputs expected from a project.
Example, let's review the deliverables for this phase.
Clear expectations. No confusion. Word 25, timeline.
Every meeting has one, even if nobody follows it.
A timeline is the schedule for a project.
Example, can we adjust the timeline? Word 26, escalate.
This means to raise an issue to a higher level.
Example, if this continues, we'll need to escalate the issue.
Firm but professional. Next word, constraints.
Ah, yes, the things stopping us.
Constraints are limitations like time, money, or resources.
Example, we're working within budget constraints. Word 28, resources.
Resources are things you need to do the work. People, tools, money.
Example, we don't currently have enough resources.
Very honest, very businesslike. Word 29, consensus.
This one means group agreement.
Example, let's reach a consensus before deciding.
Peaceful meetings start with this word. And word 30, actionable.
Actionable means something you can act on immediately.
Example, we need actionable next steps.
Meetings end better with this word.
30 words done. You're doing great.
Your confidence is showing. Even your silence sounds professional now.
We still have 20 powerful words left.
Here we go again. Smooth voice, clear mind.
Yes, this is where you start sounding like the person running the meeting.
Word 31. Overview.
This is the big picture.
An overview is a general summary.
Example, I'll start with a quick overview.
Perfect way to begin speaking in a meeting.
Next word, objective.
An objective is a goal.
Example, our objective is to increase sales.
Clear objectives save time. Word 33. Outcome.
This is the result.
Example, what outcome are we expecting?
Very results focused. Next word, impact.
Impact is the effect something has.
Example, this decision will have a big impact.
Strong and persuasive. Word 35. Value.
Ah, money's favorite cousin.
Value is the benefit something brings.
Example, this adds value to the business. Next word, feasible.
Feasible means possible and practical.
Example, is this plan feasible?
Smart question. Very executive. Word 37. Sustainable.
Can we keep doing it long term?
Exactly.
Example, we need a sustainable solution. Next word, dependencies.
These are things that must happen before something else can.
Example, there are few dependencies we need to consider.
Advanced meeting language. Word 39. Bandwidth.
No Wi-Fi here.
Bandwidth means capacity or availability.
Example, I don't have the bandwidth to take this on right now.
Polite way to say I'm busy.
Word 40, risk.
Risk is the possibility of something going wrong.
Example, we should assess the risk before proceeding.
Calm, careful, professional.
40 words. I'm impressed.
You're officially dangerous in meetings now.
Just 10 more powerful words to go.
Final round. Strong finish. Let's do this.
Yes, this is where you seal the deal and leave the meeting smiling.
Word 41. Recommend.
This word sounds confident but polite.
To recommend means to suggest with confidence.
Example, I recommend we proceed with option A.
Clear, direct, professional.
Next word, endorse.
Endorse means to officially support something.
Example, I fully endorse this proposal.
Powerful support. Word 43. Commitment.
This word shows seriousness.
Commitment means dedication or promise.
Example, this requires full commitment from the team.
Strong leadership language.
Next word, ownership.
Ownership means taking responsibility.
Who will take ownership of this task?
No hiding after that question. Word 45. Follow-up.
Meetings without follow-up are just conversations.
Follow-up means actions after the meeting.
Example, I'll send a follow-up email. Next phrase, alignment check.
This is used to confirm everyone agrees.
Example, let's do a quick alignment check.
Very smooth. Word 47. Next steps.
My favorite meeting ending phrase.
Next steps are the actions after discussion.
Example, let's define the next steps. Next phrase, wrap up.
Wrap up means to finish.
Example, let's wrap up the meeting.
Music to everyone's ears. Word 49. Takeaways.
Not food, lessons.
Takeaways are key points or lessons.
Example, my key takeaway is clarity on priorities. And our final word, confidently.
Because how you speak matters as much as what you say.
Example, she spoke confidently during the meeting.
And so will you. All right, let's wrap this up.
Aw, I know, but what a session.
You've just learned 50 powerful business English words.
Words that help you speak clearly, confidently, and professionally in meetings.
Remember, confidence doesn't mean speaking loudly.
It means speaking clearly, calmly, and with purpose.
Start small. Use 1 or 2 of these words in your next meeting.
Then watch how people listen differently.
Practice is the secret.
And confidence grows every time you open your mouth and try.
This is Mr. English.
And Mrs. English. Thank you for learning with us.
Until next time.
Speak confidently, smile naturally.
And keep improving your English every day.
See you in the next lesson. Keep shining.